My name is Richard Leopold, Head of Product Marketing at Bentley Motors. I'm here today to talk to you about the Continental Flying Spur 09 model year. Now, the Flying Spur itself started out in history back in 1957 when H.J. Mulliner wanted to create a car for fast continental touring with additional luggage capability built off the two-door. Back then, the first year of sales achieved 273 units, 80% of which was here in the UK. 2005 saw the return of the Flying Spur to the marketplace, a very different story. The first full year achieved almost 4,500 units, and interestingly 80% of its sales was outside of the UK. Clearly the Flying Spur hit a sweet spot in the marketplace, leveraging the style and the performance from the GT, and also combined that with the luxury and the comfort expected of a four-door saloon. The Continental Flying Spur soon established itself as one of the most exclusive luxury four-door saloons on offer, and it achieved #1 selling position in terms of the 12-cylinder market in most major countries around the world. Not only externally has it been a success, but internally at Bentley it now accounts for over a third of the sales over the past 3 years and is a critical component in the business moving forward. So the 2009 model year is all about raising the bar. Competitors have moved on, there are more entries now in the sector with new and improved offers, so it's time for Bentley to take a step forward in the history of the Flying Spur. 2009 sees the introduction of two distinctive models in the Flying Spur range, the Continental Flying Spur and the Continental Flying Spur Speed. Now, the Continental Flying Spur offers best-in-class refinement for the first time, new levels of comfort and an extensive range of choice to the customer. In fact, many options in terms of colour, trim and finish are things that have been available only in the R series until today. The Continental Flying Spur Speed delivers a more dynamic driving experience, agile handling and engagement with the driver. This will certainly be popular with those who are looking to combine the thrill of driving with the practicalities associated with a four-door saloon. So with the 2009 Continental Flying Spur range, it really is time to write history once again.
I just want to spend a few moments taking you through the newly enhanced levels of design and comfort on the Continental Flying Spur and the introduction of the Continental Flying Spur Speed at 09 model year. I'll also spend time taking you through the extensive range of new optional features which provide greater levels of customer choice and the opportunity for personalisation. At 09 model year, the Continental Flying Spur benefits from a more upright front grille and revised lower air intakes. You may have noticed that this car has been specified with the cost option of bright chrome lower grilles and a new cost option feature, adaptive cruise control. The front of the car also benefits from chrome headlight bezels, which increases the focal bright wear on the front of the car, enhancing the fresh new look. The refined styling continues to the back of the car, where we have a revised rear bumper which encompasses a cutaway black valance and wraparound brightwear, which creates a lower, sleeker look. The car also benefits from chrome bezels around the tail lamps, which enhances the fresh new rear look. At 09 model year, the refinement enhancements are not just cosmetic. This car has been specified with the new 19-inch comfort tyre. So let's now talk about the Continental Flying Spur Speed. This car boasts a W12 600 brake horsepower, 610 PS engine with all-round lowered suspension, providing a more powerful and engaging drive. The Continental Flying Spur Speed takes on the design enhancements of the Continental Flying Spur at 09 model year, but with some slight feature differentiation. The Speed, as standard, takes on a dark tint upper and lower grille. Exclusive to Speed, we have a new 20-inch multi-spoke wheel. In this case, this car is specified with the cost option dark tint. The distinguishing feature at the rear of the car is the new rifled tailpipes, completing the new sporting look. The sporting nature of this car continues on the inside. As standard on a Continental Flying Spur Speed, we have diamond quilting with indented hide, drilled aluminium foot pedals and a sports gear lever. Exclusive to Speed, we have the new 3-spoke steering wheel with brush switch surround. This car has also been specified with a cost option of dark tint aluminium fascia, which is also available in bright. Another identifying feature of the Continental Flying Spur Speed is the unique speed tread plates fitted to all four doors. 2009 model year sees the introduction of two very distinctive models with two very different characters, offering our customers more choice, more refinement and more power.